Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to create a Google Authenticator key. Sign into the account and open its two-step verification or security page. Once there, choose the option to add an Authenticator app. This generates a QR code or a manual setup key. Make sure your phone's Authenticator app is open and its camera permission enabled so you can scan immediately. If scanning fails, copy the provided alphanumeric key. This first step links the account to a one-time code generator on your device. Once you have the QR code or key, open Google Authenticator and tap Add Account. You can scan the on-screen QR code directly. Scanning writes the secret into the app instantly, which is why it's preferred. If you must enter the key manually, type it exactly and choose the account name so you'll recognize it later. Make sure your phone's time settings are set to automatic or network-provided time, because Authenticator codes rely on tight time-based synchronization. After adding the key, you must verify it. Type the displayed 6-digit code from Authenticator into the account's verification box. Once accepted, record backup codes or set up a secondary Authenticator device immediately. This prevents lockout if your phone is lost. Make sure to label the Authenticator entry clearly. If verification fails, first confirm your phone's time sync and then try rescanning the QR code or entering the manual key. As a last resort, use backup codes to restore access and redo the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.